Welcome to Toppscholars, the smart learning app. Today, let's join with Advita and Rohan on a crowded beach as they unwind the magic of adjectives. I wish to spend some quality with the warm sea waters and enjoy delicious momos. But this place is so crowded that I can't even spot a place to sit.
Yes, this place reminds me of those words we learned. Adjectives, right?
Adjectives?
So what if we can't play with seawater? Let's play with words.
What do you mean?
Adjectives make everything realistic, like describing these sands as rough and dusty. An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
Noun?
Yes. Do you remember our teacher taught us about nouns and adjectives?
Oh, yes. Nouns refer to any name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Am I right?
Excellent, Rohan. So now let's play a game by describing the nouns we see in this speech while taking turns.
Cool, buddy. Let me begin first. Describe that girl with an ice cream.
That's very simple. Instead, I found two adjectives. The little girl with a delicious ice cream. Both the words little and delicious are adjectives describing the nouns girl and ice cream.
You're right. This is so much fun. Now it's your turn.
What about those mangoes over there?
Sour or raw are the adjectives, isn't it?
Yes, adjectives paint a picture with words enhancing our vocabulary.
Exactly. Adjectives bring out the beauty in what we see, feel, hear, smell and touch.
So, let's leave Rohan and Advita enjoy discovering the power of adjectives at the crowded beach. And you can keep exploring the same by describing the nouns around you. Until we meet next time, happy learning!